Teacher tutors where we belong. Learning ABCs, let's sing and play. Count with us every day. Letters, numbers, arts and crafts. Join the fun and make some laughs. Teacher tutors is the place. Come to learn with a smiling face. A is for apple, B is for ball. Counting numbers, we know them all. Crafting projects.
Hello and welcome to Teacher Tutors. Today, we are excited to begin exploring letters in our book.
Read with us A Journey into Letters.
Come along.
This is the letter W. We have a capital W and a lowercase w. These letters represent W. Go ahead and flip to the next page. Now let's go over some words that start with W. Whale, wolf, window, wagon, watermelon. So now I will say the words again and I want you to repeat after me. Whale, wolf, window, wagon, watermelon. Were you able to keep up and repeat all the words after me? I know you did. Go ahead and flip to the next page. Now we're going to find all of the letters that start with a capital W. A, B, W, F, D. We got another capital W. Circle, circle, circle. E, C, J, capital W, capital W. A, D, P, another capital W. Circle, circle, circle. D, F, J, capital W, circle, 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 capital W, W, W. L, here's another capital W. Go ahead and circle it. G, M, X. What do you see? What do you see? Yes, another capital W. Does your sheet look like mine's? Great job. I'm going to go ahead and erase my board. You know what to do next. That's right. Flip your page. Now we're going to look for all the letters with a lowercase w. We're starting out with the first one. Go ahead and circle it. B, H, F, E, lowercase w. Go ahead and circle it. M, we got another lowercase w. P, V, U, A, lowercase w, lowercase w. Go ahead and circle. R, Y, L, M, A, J, L, lowercase w, lowercase w. We circled it. N, H, J, and our final lowercase w. Were you able to find all of the lowercase w's? That's because you're a superstar. I'm going to go ahead and erase my board. You know what I want you to do. Flip that page. So now we are only going to circle the words that start with a W. Whale. Whale starts with a W. Let's circle that. Pie. No. Tree. No. Glass. No. Ant. No. What about window? Does window start with a W? You are so smart. Yes, it does. Let's go ahead and circle that. Star? No. Wolf? Yes, wolf starts with a W. Bye? No. Horse? No. Wig? Wig starts with a W. So go ahead and circle it. Paper? No. Water? Water starts with a W. Circle water. Kite? No. Anchor? No. Queen? No. Grape? No. Wall? Wall does start with a W. So we circle that. Watch. Watch starts with a W. Fries? No. Violin? No. Pillow? No. Wilma? Wilma starts with a W. And it is somebody's name. Axe? No. Were you able to find all the words that start with a W? Great job. So now I'm going to say the words and I want you to repeat after me. Whale, window, wolf, wig, water, wall, watch, Wilma. Were you able to say all of the words that started with a W? I know you did, because you're a superstar. Great job. I will see you with the next letter.
To life, let's spell dance and sing it right. Wolf, wolf, howls at night, golden eyes shining bright, running fast, wild and free, in the forest with its pack of three. Oh, the plagues of three. Is quick and small, dashing fast, not scared at all, jumping high, digging low, in the forest with its pack of three, in the forest with its pack